Went on a Harry Potter walking tour in London and got to see the places that J.K. Rowling was inspired by when making the movie. Guide also talked ABT the history of some of the buildings. So it's a historical tour at the same time. Would be good if they had a signage at the meetup point, as we almost missed the meeting point, or if we could get a Harry Potter themed pamphlet of a map of where we are going. Our tour guide, Max, was very knowledgeable and friendly. He shared not only on the movie scene/information related to the movies, he also shared some interesting information as we walk around in London. Great way to learn and see London, and of course Harry Potter. The tour guide explained the details of each place to us very carefully, including the history. Not only did we have a deeper understanding of the Harry Potter scenes, but we also gained a lot of local knowledge about the UK. It is highly recommended for those who are going to the UK for the first time. My friend, thumbs up emoji, will also take the subway on the overall walking tour was great, if not for the miscommunication on the meeting location. Apparently meetup point has changed 6 months ago but was not updated in the Klook communication. However, the local agent was very helpful when we called up to explain, and they quickly arranged for us to attend the afternoon session. Our guide, Megan, was great. Always making sure we are safe when crossing the roads and boarding the tube. Very detailed in explaining the guide was able to help recap on various scenes from the movies when bringing us to various stops. The devices used for communication is also effective. Didn't manage to get tickets to the HP studio, and this was a good filler. It delivered as promised. Guide Max was on time, the audio was clear, he had photos and explained the differences between the film and what we were seeing real time, which is something I wouldn't have gotten from a recording or article. He also gave some film, London, and literature trivia, so I'm glad that I skipped the other tours for this. The walk wasn't tiring for me, there was a 10-minute break in the middle too. The coupon mentions that you might need to buy an Oyster card, but you don't have to. The train accepts contactless international cards. Originally scheduled for the morning session, I arrived 15 minutes early but waited almost half an hour. The passengers in the same group called and told me that the tour guide was sick and could not come. Please come back in the afternoon or refund the fee. Originally, I had other arrangements in the afternoon, but after much deliberation, I decided to take part in this tour. The afternoon session went smoothly, and the tour guide arranged was a gentleman in his 70s with many years of experience. In addition to the Harry Potter group, he also took many other groups of famous attractions in London. He said that he had about a year of experience in leading this Harry Potter walking tour group, but I originally expected to have a full 3 hours, but only about 2 hours and 25 minutes. Let us disband at excellent walking tour with lots of interesting facts for even non-Harry Potter fans. Philip the guide was engaging. We covered a lot of ground in 3 hours, walking 10,000 steps, including a short break around St. Paul's and 2 tube rides. My 8-yo and 6-yo were able to keep up with the tour, but we were all definitely tired by the end.